Oh man, where's the tech news? Oh wait, hello everyone and welcome to Newstone Mini. I'm your host Harris and today we got some juicy news. Let's get started. Wow, the European pricing of the upcoming Nvidia RTX 3090 Ti is here and warning, you might puke. More listing of said GPU is here and this time it's in Europe. An Estonian retailer has just listed 3 ASUS ROG and TUF GPUs with a very high price. For example, the TUF model is the cheapest for around 4,300 euros. The factory OC will be around 4,400 euros and the flagship ROG Strix liquid cooled will be 4,600 euros. Pretty insane, but of course this is the scalp price of the GPUs, so we can probably expect the official MSRP to be around 1.5 to 2 times cheaper than that. Not like you can buy them at MSRP, especially with these cards launch being delayed due to production issues. So this is some bonus news. Speaking of GPU, a new video just unveiled the upcoming Intel Arc Alchemist desktop GPU. This short and unfortunately low quality video has emerged showing what appears to be a chunky twin slot twin fan Intel graphics card. As you can see, the sample looks like what we expect from previous leaks. The same okay looking appearance and finish, which makes it more believable. But again, we can trust this 100% since leak is a leak. And here's a fun one. An awesome ASUS ROG Keycap turns your boring old key into a GPU with spinning fans. Take my money! An ASUS ROG Strix GPU-designed keycap has been spotted in China. The keycap follows the highly recognizable triple fan ROG Strix design, and honestly, it looks sick. It even got a solid aluminum alloy body and 3 working ball bearing fans with a pretty cool packaging. Sadly though, it will cost you a whole $63. I think I have to go now. So you gotta come back on Friday for more juicy tech news like this one and subscribe so you won't miss it. Alright, peace out.